Okay, so this time we're going to do something a little bit different. We'll see if you can notice what the difference is. But this time it says nonlinear inequalities. So we have a top inequality, but that's not linear because it's got x squared in it. In fact, it's not a circle either, it's a parabola. So you got a parabola up here, parabola, but down here, this one's linear. Okay, so let's see if we can graph those. We're going to graph the parabola first. So we're going to think of it as y equals x squared minus 4. Now, all that you know about parabolas and transformations, you know this is going to shift up. It's going to be a vertical shift up down. All you know about transformations. Okay, it's going to shift down 4. So down 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we can draw the parabola from there. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can get ordered pairs to help you, or other ways. Okay, now that parabola could be dotted or it could be solid. It is solid. I was thinking maybe I wanted another point. And you could plug in tables of values too. So 1, 2, 3, and then we'd go up to 9. 1, 2, 3. I don't think we really need these points, but remember a parabola like this. Well, a parabola is symmetric about the axis of symmetry. Right. And it's solid. So there's my parabola. Yeah, kind of. Okay. But we have to shade. So we have y is greater than or equal to x squared minus 4. I'm going to use the point 0, 0. Now either we're shading inside the parabola or outside the parabola. Put in 0 for y, put in 0 for x. I get 0 is greater than or equal to negative 4. True or false? It's true. 0 is greater than negative 4. So that means my point here works. So I'm shading inside the parabola. Okay, that's the top inequality. Now we're going to do the bottom inequality. So I have x minus y equals 2. So when we go ahead and put it in slope-intercept form, negative y equals negative x plus 2. Divide everything by negative 1. You don't have to do it this way. You could use a table of values or the intercept method to graph. Okay, but the intercept is at negative 2, right there. And the slope is 1. Now, is it solid or dotted? What do you think? It's a solid line because it's got the equal to part. Okay, now try to focus just on that red line. Is it above the line or below the line? Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take that inequality. X minus y is greater than or equal to 2. And we're going to put in 0, 0 because it's not on the line, so we can. Is 0 greater than or equal to 2? True or false? False. So that means my point 0, 0 didn't work. So try to look just at the red line. So it doesn't, not above, but below. So all those points, we can make these longer. Okay, now there's a section that's both got the black shading and the black lines and the red lines. You see it? It's this little section in here. It's kind of like a teardrop, I guess. Maybe not. Anyway, that's the line, or that's the section that satisfies both inequalities. And that's how you graph it. And it's kind of cool. Okay.